So now we're gonna try some starter fluid. All right, boom. Let's do this. So we about to get some shop towels. Oh, where the fuck are they? I don't even know where they at. They should be in, nope, they're not in there. Oh. Oh, this is so gross. Oh my God. Why is there even a carpet in here, bro? Ew. I'm gonna find all kind of dead shit in here. Let's get the gloves going. Let's get all these doors open. There we go. We're gonna start vacuuming her right now. All right, let's do it. So my plan is to vacuum all of this and then start cutting out this carpet so it can be fully metal gutted and shit, because all of this stuff is unnecessary. Oh God. Oh my God, this is so nasty. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bit of a germaphobe. This is type nasty, but yeah, we gotta do what we gotta do. Excuse my language, but can't be a bitch. We gotta get in here and get to work, you feel me? Because this car is not gonna bring itself back to life. We gotta give it some juice. And I'm confused. Oh, it came right up. So then what else is holding it? There was no bolt on that side, huh? Nah, there's one more somewhere. All right, so we just went and grabbed some more tools. And now I'm really trying to take these seats out because I need easy access to everything, so that way I can just take this carpet out, because everything is like absolutely gross. So we're gonna, oh man, damn it. This shit was fitting 2 seconds ago. Oh God. There we go. cages out. Look at all that grossness. Okay. So I just took out the majority of the driver's side carpet. We're just gonna fucking go ham with this stuff. This is like gym juice. Hit the dashboard, you know. Oh wait, no, I'm supposed to stay like that. There we go. So let's hit that. Alrighty. Get that stuff going. I might need some better shit than this to really get the gunk and funk out of it. This thing's not gonna do justice. Oh boy. Look at all these fancy buttons and shit that we're not gonna need anymore. All that stuff is coming out. Oh boy. Oh, the sun is blinding me. Cannot see.
Yeah, I scared you, man.
I'm afraid.
Nah, afraid.
Tell him to say I'm afraid. I'm afraid to smoke the ganja. Yeah. It's looking a little better.
The trunk is stuck, huh?
Yep. It's looking like I might have to go from inside and fuck with the latch a little bit.
So does it, you think it's the latch not opening, or it just being closed for so long that if we just pry it open, it'll just pop?
You could try. Put the key. I tried a couple times, like putting the key in, messing with it all kind of ways. I also did. Yeah.
Can I have a screwdriver, sir?
Screwdriver.
Do you have one over here?
I did not. Ah, fucking hell, yeah.
I'm thinking that the latch is
Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah.
I gutted this whole side right here. There's no more carpet.
Oh yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clean as fuck.
Yeah.
I like that most of the wiring's still in the car.
Yeah.
So it could be like a Lemon's car, pretty easy.
Exactly. Yeah, I was thinking that like it could vary, like it doesn't have to just be a drift car. Like this could be an all-wheel race car.
More cage.
For a Lemons?
Yeah. For it to be like a fucking road race car.
Yeah. I could rally cross this shit too.
Yep. Definitely need more cage for that.
For what?
Rally cross.
Oh. Nah, dude, there's like so many different they'll just put you in a certain class.
Oh,
and then
No, I'm telling you, like for for road racing, putting cars on a road course, you need a fucking better cage.
Oh yeah, you're right, yeah.
Just a more sturdy cage. For some reason, drift cars are the only cars I know that are allowed like
a half cage.
Yeah. Half cage, 3/4 cage bullshit.
Maybe because you're way less likely to turn over.
Roll, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I get it, but it's still kind of weird to me.
I got you.
It's so stupid, bro. You agree? The fact that drift cars are allowed.
No, me trying to climb around this fucking cage right now with this glass on this seat.
Oh, I put the glass on the seat, man.
No. I'm not complaining about the glass being on the seat. I'm complaining on trying to crawl around the glass on the seat.
No.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Well,
bro, trust me, that was me when I first started messing with the car.
The cage is in the way, so I'm trying to put my knee on this shit, and the glass is here, and so I'm like...
Yeah, no, the rear of this cage is a little whack.
Yeah.
It's just weird that the crossbar is in a weird spot.
Yeah. I'm just so, like, hyped that I got a cage. Like, I actually have a legit
hell yeah.
race car right now.
Fucking cage car.
Yeah.
It's got some tube framing. It's basically a race car.
Can you go put pressure on the stuff back there?
Yeah, once that trunk is open, I can see how it's gonna react to a battery being hooked up. If I need the electronics from it. You want me to just take the glass out?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah. Still has what?
The glass.
I know.
You get a road bar.
Yep. All right, so this is the battery that was in the car. I don't want to turn it on, turn it over, but I want to see if we get any kind of power. So I'm just gonna lay this in here, and yeah, I want to see what happens. That way I know, like, you know, if this battery is super duper shitty or other things are going on. Woo. Hey, what goes first, positive or negative?
Doesn't matter.
All right. Okay. It's probably not even a ground. Yo! Haha! Yo, we got power. Nice. Okay. Fuck, how do you take this out? Oh boy. So it's not total shit. Come on, get out of here. Damn, the key is stuck, my guy. Fuck. What happened to this? There we go. Okay. You think it's safe to try and turn it over?
Nope. You convinced me, dumbass. What? I'm talking to him.
Well, I reached the goal for today, so I'm satisfied.
The next day.
Okay guys, here's another day working on the car. Pretty much still cleaning stuff up. I got this little leaf blower. I'm gonna try to blow out as much as I can out of the engine bay and in the interior. And I think today I'm gonna give it a chance and put the radio back up, turn the key and see if we can get anything. If it makes any noises, we're in the right direction. Try to start it?
Yeah, you can try to start it. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Give it a shot.
All right, let's see if anything happens. What's up?
You want to try to start it now?
Does it turn over?
Well, that's what we're trying to see.
Huh?
That's where we're at, trying to find that
Yeah,
out.
trying to see if it'll turn over. We were getting clicking, and all the accessories were working. So we charged the battery up a little bit. So now we're gonna see if we can get like that. You know, like I said, just anything. All right, ready?
Yep.
Oh, you guys are so onto it, man. Fuck, just get a stronger battery. Pull a battery out of a fucking dually or something. I'm joking about that, but there's gotta be a fucking ready to go battery.
I'll pull it off the electric stand I'm using down there.
All right, here we go. This is like what, attempt 3. Alright guys, so we got things pretty much set up that we need to see if it's gonna start. I had to sacrifice this belt because it was just in the way. So if it does start, it can't run for long because there's no belt and it's gonna overheat. But we got all the plugs hooked back up with most of the waters taken out. Mr. Einstein set up the fuel, what's it called, fuel pump for me, so.
Yeah, possibly wrong. So we'll see.
Yeah, we're gonna see. And everything else should be good to go. It's gonna be attempt like number 4, so. So now we're gonna try some starter fluid.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today we're gonna try to start this BMW using just starter fluid. Give it a shot.
Let's try for shits and oh god.
Oh shit! Give it a little gas. Yeah. So if you want, I'll get like a pressure washer with some gas and put.
Yeah.
Yep. Go.
Go?
Yep. Try again.
Alright, so we got Ian put in starting fluid.
Huh?
Nah, I'm talking to the camera.
You don't like the smell of starting fluid?
I'm talking to the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Yeah, give her a shot.
Alright, so here we go. Yo, this is so uncomfortable. Okay.
Not too much gas to start with.
Yeah. Oh, the battery's connected?
Yeah.
It's nothing.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Alright, give her a shot now.
Yo, people, so I'm gonna cut the progress short today. I got honestly further than I expected. I didn't even expect it to turn over even a little bit, but yo, we got it going. Thanks to my boy Ian and everyone else helping out. We are making progress. I would say maybe a little less than $300. She'll be running. She'll be up and running. So yeah, I'm pretty hyped. We're making progress. I'm still gonna continue to clean it out. It's still pretty nasty, but yeah. From the diagnostics so far, it looks like I'm gonna need a fuel pump, which I could find a way to get one. I'm gonna need another fan because this one is pretty broken. And another belt, probably drain out all the coolant and redo that. But as far as just getting it started, there's really not much to it. I mean, it damn near started today. So yo, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this channel if you're new. As you see, I do a lot of car content here and there. I diverse in other things, travel or whatever I'm into. It's kind of a lifestyle thing, but right now I'm in a phase of mainly car stuff. So if you like that, you're gonna like all this. So yeah, it's a lot of bugs out here. It's getting pretty hot out here in New York. Yo, but anyway, until next time, peace.